Oh, is it too late to add the disclaimer that I'm in no means a professional hairdresser? Like you guys would think that. Who would think that? Nobody would. Hi everyone, we're back in the bathroom and this little cloth is just my attempt at hiding the hideous hardware we have here. We cannot change it, we are renters, so it is what it is. Finally, I am going to dare and cut my hair. I have quite a few supplies here. I have some professional looking hair clips, but I know they are crap because they don't work. I have tried them many times. So kind of to take care of that, I have some rubber bands from Staples. I have quite a few combs here. I have a hairbrush and then some professional-ish looking hair cutting combs. This is gonna help me part my hair. A mirror, a few different scissors, and then most importantly, I have something that I think is gonna help me succeed. It's in, I don't know what language, a rotating level thing. You'll see little specks of hair on it. That's because I tried using it when I was cutting my kids' hair. That was a fail because their hair is way too small. So I'm hoping that it's more meant for longer hair and it'll help me today. One can always hope. And then finally, I have a wall, I don't know what this is called, the hair clippers. I bought them for my kids. I haven't tried it on them yet. They're charged. I'm hoping that that will kind of eliminate my issue that I usually have. The scissors end up pushing my hair out of the scissors. You know what I mean? Yeah, my hair is looking kind of straight because I oiled them and washed them. So it's, I think, actually a good texture for a haircut, but my hair is a hot mess. It's a hot mess. Let me show you the back. Can you see this? This is a hot mess. My ideal haircut is short layers with long bangs. I know how to cut my bangs. I'm usually successful with that, I think. So that's what I'm gonna start with, okay? And that's where I'm gonna start by trying this one. So there are two pieces in here. There's a long piece and a short piece. And both of them come with these levels, which you can kind of rotate so that you can kind of hold, you know, any angle you want, and then make sure that it stays in that angle by, you know, looking at the level bubble. How I'm gonna work with it myself, I have no idea. And yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen, okay? I want my hair, ideally I would like them like about here, but I'm not gonna dare that today. So let's get started. I have a mirror behind me, but it is kind of difficult to see it because my camera is right in the middle. As you might be able to see, I have a ton of grays which need coloring, but I have been putting it off, saying that since I'm gonna cut these hair anyways, you know, why waste my color on it? You know what I mean? I wish I had someone helping me out here, but my husband has to keep an eye on my kids and the dog. This is going to be my first section. Is this a straight line? Kind of. Okay, it's kind of a rectangle or a square in the front, right? And my plan is to use this guy. It has a little clip on the side and you're supposed to open it up and lay it like so. Hair straight down, close it and slide it down. I usually like, you know, my bangs about the tip of my nose and make it just slightly lower. Is this straight? I'm trying to look through the gaps in my hair. Hopefully. So that's where this comes in, and I'm hoping that this one helps me do a straight cut. So let's go. So I was using a protective clip on top that fell off, and it was blowing my hair straight into my eyes as I was cutting them, but it seems to have done much better job than what I would have done. So let's see. Let me take this down. Is this straight? It's not. Okay, I guess I didn't clip it straight, so let's try it again. Let's try seat now. What's going on? Is it kind of straight? It is, right? It's kind of okay. But this one has a curve on it, so I'm guessing it's gonna stay in a curve, which I don't mind. Okay, so now that that is done, so my idea is to take like the outermost end of this section and then cut these hair to that level. That's the idea. Let's see how it actually gets executed, but let me actually let go of this, okay? I grab another piece. I think this strategy is not going to work. So let me divide my hair up in 3 sections and not 2. So I think I'm thinking that I should go in that same rectangle that I have going here, backwards. Do you think I should cut my back section first? I'm guessing the first thing I should do is get the bottom line defined, because that might be easier to do. I'm gonna chop off whatever is underneath that line. We did cut something. The hair is falling into my shirt, which is not quite fitting either. And there's a long piece of hair, and this looks too short. I think I might have cut off too much. See what's going on in the back? This is kind of even. It's kind of even, right? Maybe like 1 or 2 hair that like sticking underneath. So I'm gonna just take scissors and chop those off. Okay, that's that. Let me leave these sides. So this is pretty long, that's pretty short. So now if I cut everything to that length, this is so haphazard. Just realized that I didn't do any layers in my back hair, so that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna try the vertical clip technique. Did I cut too much? That's a very long length. How short? Yes, some of them are really short. Okay. That's what it is. I'm gonna sport some really weird haircut. This is okay, but it could end up looking really bad. Okay, there's something weird going on over here. A feeling that the 2 sides are not going to be equal. They are not. Okay, a little bit more. Let's see now. Kind of okay. The shape looks different. And then this is longer. And this side, which is really uneven. And the back is really short. Okay, what should I do? Okay, like most of it in the back. Good. This seems like a really bad idea right now. Right now I'm going into like what have I got to lose mindset. So when it comes to layers, I have no idea what it's gonna look like. I am freaking covered in hair. You know what? It's not terrible. I could angle up this side a little bit more. This side is definitely longer. Oh, let me angle this one up a little bit more. I'm so itchy. What do you think?
Not bad.
Not bad?
थोड़ा नहीं पीछे का साइड थोड़ा weird है.
Weird as in what?
Weird as in it looks like you've gone down and then you have missed the whole bunch here.
There's a hole.
The bottom is very uneven. I don't know. This is too long. Mullet hai ho gaya.
Is this even? Is this even? These
no,
hair?
these hair is not even. You want me to cut it? But it looks now. It looks the style has changed a little bit. It goes straight down. Now there is still a hole here. Yeah, this side I like this style per se. I don't know what style it is. This might be you need to crop a little bit. Yeah.
This, okay. My haircut is done. Let me kind of show you guys what it looks like once I wash it and kind of style it and all that. I don't style it, okay? Once I wash it and dry it. So there you go guys, this is my final haircut. I'm absolutely loving how it looks from the front at least. And overall I feel like the tool that I showed you guys, this one, you know, was absolutely handy. I bought mine from Mercari and it was very inexpensive. It was like $9 or something plus shipping. And of course with that tool, the electric hair cutter was really helpful as well. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I can you know, go another month or so just like that. When it grows, I'll tell you guys what I decide at the time. All right, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a giant thumbs up. If you are new, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe. You can check out my other videos on my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I will be uploading the 3-month update on my breast reduction soon, so I guess I'll see you then after this. Bye.